Dreams teach us patience with the present. Picture a truck on the open road. It's built to carry heavy loads, to travel miles that seem endless. At the start, the destination feels far away, almost unreachable. But the driver doesn't rush. Gear by gear, mile by mile, the truck moves forward. Slowly, steadily, the road unfolds beneath its wheels. That's what dreams do for us. They sit in the distance like faraway cities on the horizon, reminding us why we keep going. Without a dream, the weight of today feels unbearable. But when you know where you're headed, patience becomes possible. You accept the slow climb, the heavy load, because you trust that every turn of the wheel brings you closer. Building a truck is the same. The steel frame, the engine, the tires, none of it is finished overnight. It takes time, precision, and countless patient steps before it can even touch the road. But once it does, it proves that patience was never wasted. It was the very foundation of its strength. So when today feels slow or heavy, remember your dream. Let it be the horizon that steadies your pace. Because a dream isn't only about the future, it's the teacher that gives meaning to the present. And like this truck, moving forward patiently, 1 mile at a time, your dream will carry you farther than you ever thought possible.